Artificial intelligence is evolving fast, and in 2025, it's not just about ChatGPT anymore. Businesses, investors, and entrepreneurs around the world are looking at AI not just as a tool, but as a growth engine. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that are already reshaping how we work, create, and make money. These aren't just trends. They're becoming foundational, and one of them might completely change how you do business. Let's get started. ChatGPT 5 by OpenAI is still at the top for a reason. It's now capable of real-time browsing, plug-in use, long-term memory, and much more advanced language understanding. This means it can keep track of context across conversations, remember your preferences, and give more personalized responses. People are using it to write articles, analyze markets, create business strategies, and even assist with legal or financial planning. One strong use case is automating content marketing, generating SEO-optimized blog posts, social media captions, and email sequences, all in under an hour. In finance, it's being used to summarize earnings calls, break down financial reports, and explain economic news in plain English. When used correctly, ChatGPT 5 can replace multiple specialists, saving time and money across departments. Perplexity AI is not as famous, but it's incredibly powerful. Unlike ChatGPT, which guesses, Perplexity is a real-time search engine with sources. Every answer it gives is backed by live web data. You can ask about trending industries, product comparisons, or real-world case studies, and get up-to-date answers with links. It's the ideal tool for consultants, researchers, content creators, and even small businesses doing competitive analysis. Let's say you're building a pitch deck. You can use Perplexity to find current statistics, relevant examples, and industry benchmarks in seconds. Pair it with ChatGPT, and you can verify and expand your ideas with much more confidence. Claude 3 by Anthropic brings a new layer of safety and emotional intelligence to AI. It's been trained with an emphasis on alignment and is excellent for tasks that require tact, nuance, or ethical awareness. Many professionals use Claude for writing long-form content like ebooks, business proposals, or investor updates. It's also great at brainstorming and organizing complex thoughts. What sets Claude apart is tone. It reads less like a robot and more like a professional colleague. If your work involves clients, sensitive communication, or high-level business content, Claude is an ideal co-pilot. Runway ML Gen-2 is where text-to-video gets real. This tool lets you generate short video clips using only text descriptions. You write a prompt like, "a futuristic office with AI holograms," and it produces cinematic video in seconds. It's already being used by marketers, educators, and YouTubers to generate unique visuals fast and on a budget. Need a background video for an explainer? Or a visual teaser for a new product? Runway saves you time and thousands of dollars in production costs. Many content creators are combining it with ChatGPT or Notion AI to script and produce entire videos from idea to publication in just a few hours. AgentGPT and Auto-GPT are the most experimental on this list, but maybe the most exciting. They are autonomous agents, AI systems that can perform multi-step tasks with very little supervision. You tell them what you want, and they figure out how to do it. For example, you could say, "Research 5 trending AI startups, find their websites, analyze their strengths, and email me the report." These agents will search, compare, and summarize all automatically. Startups are using them for lead generation, market scanning, and internal process automation. Right now, they require some setup, but the potential is huge. In the near future, we might rely on autonomous agents like these to manage entire workflows. Now let's talk about a tool that brings everything together, Notion AI. If you manage a business, a team, or just a lot of ideas, Notion AI can help you stay productive and organized. Inside Notion, AI can summarize meeting notes, generate task lists, rewrite messy paragraphs, and help you brainstorm plans faster. It's perfect for digital entrepreneurs, solo operators, and remote teams. You can also use Notion AI to create and sell productivity templates, knowledge bases, and digital planners, turning your personal system into a passive income stream. These tools aren't science fiction, they're business infrastructure. Knowing how to use them is a major advantage, and those who learn fast will lead the next wave of digital transformation. Which tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, subscribe to AI Finance Mastermind for more videos like this every single week. Let's build the future together.